Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yukia Says Relax and I'm back with another tutorial. Guys, can you believe it? I actually did this by myself. Nobody helped me. This one day I did it by myself. And I was so surprised because it's super easy. You don't need any help. All you need, like especially if you're a beginner, all you need are rubber bands, tiny rubber bands to hold the base of your head. And that's it. Voila, you have a new hairstyle. So because it was so easy for me, I decided to show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just started off by using some Cantu leave-in, and then I have a rat tail comb, I have some tiny rubber bands, and then I used free tress Cuban twist, but then I'm sure you can use any type of kinky hair that you have available. I also used the olive oil edge control. Mind you, it doesn't really work in terms of keeping your hair slicked down, but then it helped me to be able to have a firm hold of the portion that I was braiding. So I just combed the edges a bit, and then I took a little tiny rubber band and I'm just trying to hold everything together, and then I'm tying it all up. I tied it about 3 times, just enough so that it was tight enough, but then not too tight. And then I divided the hair into 2 and pulled it together so that I could make sure that it was really secured. Sorry, I wasn't supposed to like use my hair to cover up what I was trying to do, but then I'll just try and explain to you guys what I was doing. So I just made sure that I braided my hair in 3, using my natural hair as the 3rd part of the braid. So I braided a 3-strand braid, but then after a while I decided to change it into a twist. So you just take the part of your hair which was your natural hair, then you add it to one of the braids of the Marley, and then you just twist it all the way. It's not hard. Once you start, you understand what I'm talking about. So I just decided to braid everything all the way to the end, and I didn't make it too tight, I didn't make it too loose, so that it looks natural, because if it's too tight it wouldn't look natural. And then this is me when I finished half of my head. I couldn't put the whole thing on camera because I was trying to speed up the process. And this is how my scalp area looks like when I was done with half of my head. So I'm left with the back of my head, just 1 braid more, and I'm repeating the same process at the back as well. I started with the rubber band, then I decided to braid a 3-strand braid, then I moved on to a twist. Okay guys, so this is me when I was done. I had to record this on another day because I finished doing it in the night, but then I really liked how it turned out. It looks natural and it's really lightweight as well, and so I'm really glad I was able to show you guys how to do this hairstyle. So please subscribe and see you guys in my next video. Bye.